Hello everyone. This is our third challenge from the topic LCM and HCF. So this is a pretty simple question. So three bells ring at an interval of 40 minutes, 60 minutes and 80 minutes. If all the three bells ring together at 2 p.m. on a Monday for the first time, when will they ring together for the fourth time? Okay. So so first time they all rang together at 2 p.m. on a Monday. Right? Okay. So if you take the first bell, so it rings once every 40 minutes. That means it will ring on 40th minute, on 80th minute, on 120th minute, on 160th minute, and so on. Right? So these are the multiples of 40. Right? So next will be 200, then 240, 280, 320, and it will go on like this. Right? And if you take the second bell, it rings every 60 minutes. So 60th minute, 120th minute, 180th minute, 240th minute, 300th minute, 360th minute, and so on. It will once every 60 minutes, it will ring together. If you take only these two bells, as you can see, 120 is the first common multiple for both 40 and 60. Among the multiples of 40 and 60, 120 is the first common multiple. The second common multiple is 240. The third common multiple is 360. Right? So if you take only the first two bills, on every multiple of 120, that is 1 into 120 is 120, 2 into 120 is 240, 3 into 120 is 360, like that. Once every multiple of 120, the two bells ring together. Now we have three bells. The third bell rings once every the third bell rings once every 80 minutes. So multiples of 80 are 80, 160, 240, then 320, 400, 480, and so on it will go. Right? So the first common multiple for 40, 60, and 80 is 240. Right? 240 is the first common multiple of 40, 60, and 80, and this is the actual LCM of 40, 60, and 80. Right? That is 240. That means all the three bells will ring once every multiple of 240. So that means 240th minute they will ring together, then 480th minute, then 720th minute, then 960th minute, and so on they will ring together. Okay. So first time they rang together at 2 p.m. on a Monday. So 240 minutes is actually 4 hours. So 480 minutes is 8 hours. 720 minutes is 12 hours. Right? Now, second time they will ring 4 hours after 2 p.m. that is 6 p.m. For the third time they will ring at 10 p.m. that is 4 hours after 6 p.m. And fourth time they will ring at 2 a.m. on the next day, Tuesday. Right? So this is how we solve this. So they will all ring together at 2 a.m. on Tuesday. So this is the right answer. Now, instead of calculating the common multiples like this, we directly have to take the LCM. Now, I will be telling you how to take LCM using ratio method. Okay, LCM using ratio method. Now, what are the three values we have? We have 40, we have 60, and we have 80. So we need to take the ratio between these three values. 40, 60, and 80. When you divide them by 20, all these numbers are divisible by 20, right? So when you divide them by 20, you get 2 is to 3 is to 4. Now, this 2 is to 3 is to 4 ratio is the simplest ratio. Okay, simplest ratio. That means we cannot further reduce this ratio and still have natural numbers in the values. Okay, this is the simplest ratio. Now, to find out the LCM, what you do is find LCM of 2, 3 and 4. What is LCM of 2, 3 and 4? LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. What is this? Multiply this 12 with this division factor, that is 20. 12 into 20 is 240. This is your LCM. Okay. This is a simple technique. So all you need to do is 40 is to 60 is to 80. When you divide each number by 20, you get 2 is to 3 is to 4. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. 12 cross 20 is 240. This will give you the LCM. This is one of the techniques. There are 3 more techniques which whenever appropriate I will explain in the upcoming challenges. So now this is one method in which you can find out the LCM of given numbers. Okay. Now once you find out LCM, all what we have done is we have found out the LCM, right? LCM is 240 minutes, which is equal to 4 hours. So first time the 3 bells rang together at 2 p.m. Monday, right? So that means it has to ring second time, third time and fourth time. That means 3 more times it has to ring. So 3 times 4 hours is 12 hours, right? So from 2 p.m. add 12 hours, you get 2 a.m. the next day, right? So 2 a.m. on a Tuesday is the right answer. Hope you understood, guys. So subscribe to our channel. In the video description, I have given the link to join my WhatsApp channel. So there we give the update on a daily basis. Thank you so much. Share it with your friends. See you on the next video.